stars. It's Miss Campbell.
Miss Lerner.
And we're going to show you another breathing exercise. This one can be done sitting or standing. Miss Lerner has not done this one. Again, I'm surprising her, so we're going to start by standing. We are going to stand in what is called mountain, so feet slightly apart, hands by your side. This is called flying bird breathing. So we're going to start by raising our hands and taking a deep inhale. Make sure your palms are face up. Breathing in, hold it. Now slowly turn your palms out and breathe out. So think of a bird flying. One more time, breathing in, palms up. Hold your breath, palms out, slowly breathe out. You can do this with your eyes closed. We're going to do 2 more, Miss Lerner. Breathe in, so closing your eyes, and imagine that you are a bird in the air, flying slowly, breathing out, lowering your hands. Think about what you as a bird would be seeing. You would be seeing the clouds, breathing in, raising your hands. Hold it, and palms out, breathing out. As a bird, you can look down and see the buildings and the people, and it's a really lovely way to relax. Thank you, Miss Lerner.
Thank you, Miss Campbell.